It's starting to recede right in here, and it's only been a couple hours after making a fuss about all that alfalfa chip things I had to eat, and that nettle I had to drink, and the mud bath, and everything else on my hand. It's getting back to normal. Hey,
maybe you're onto something, Joe.
this was bowed way out there, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Okay, I mean, I can still see that there's a little bit of inflammation in here, but see, I can almost make a fist, actually.
More.
Right there. All right. So I guess it does work. I'm the guinea pig that says it's worked on me, and I know later today and even tomorrow it's going to be better. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more.